Hello, good morning, everyone. So I start. Have you studied
Good
about the
morning,
Newton's
sir.
ring? Sudhanshu, have you studied about the Newton's ring? Otherwise, I will start. Hello,
Sir, you start.
I will start. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I want to discuss about the Newton's ring. Newton's ring. This is very important because this is also included in lab Newton's ring experiment in lab physics lab. So I discuss about the fundamentals theory about the Newton's ring. Newton's ring. I hope do you get my PowerPoint?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, we discuss about the Newton's ring. What is Newton's ring? Have you seen this? We have Newton's experiment. We have taken plano-convex lens. Plano-convex lens means one surface is plane and the surface is convex, like this one. Like this one. Hello. You have seen this mouse? Have you seen mouse?
Yes, sir.
This is convex surface, and if this is the plane. So one side is plane and the side is convex. This is known as convex plano-convex lens. So in the Newton's experiment, when we have taken plano-convex lens, this is the plano-convex lens. It is kept on a surface like this one. It is kept on a surface of glass plate. Glass plate is like this one. When a plano-convex lens of large radius of curvature is placed on the contact with glass plate, so what will happen? There is a formation of air bubble takes place. There is a formation of air. Air is known as thin film. Hello. You see this one? This is, suppose that this is glass plate. Suppose this is glass plate and this is the plano-convex lens. What is this? In this there is a air gap between them. Have you seen on the screen? Hello. Have you seen my video?
Yes, sir.
So this is the
Yes,
glass
sir.
plate, and we have kept the plano-convex lens. There is air gap. There is a air gap is arises between the lens and the glass plate. So there is a thin film of air is formation of thin film of air takes place. So air film is formed, and what is this? The thickness of this film gradually increases from the point of contact. What does it mean? Hello. Again, see this one. At the point of contact, air gap is 0. When increases from the point of contact, the thickness of air film gradually increases. At the point of contact, the thickness of air film is 0, and when it is going from other side, left side or right hand side, we get the thickness the thickness of air film is increases. So you keep in mind, at the point of contact, the thickness of air film is 0, and when we gradually increases from the point of contact, the thickness of air film increases. So in the experiment, we have taken plano-convex lens, and it is kept on glass plate, and there is a formation of air film taking place between the glass plate and the convex lens. What I will do?
Sir.
Yes.
So, sir, as we move away from the point of contact, the thickness increases.
At the point of contact, thickness 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
When we increases either one side from the point of contact, so automatically the thickness of air film is increases.
Okay, sir.
Clear, Anshuman?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if monochromatic light means single wavelength of light is allowed to fall normally on the film, a system of automatic alternate dark and bright fringes ring or formation takes place. So these are known as Newton's ring. You know what it is? At the point of contact there is 0, and what is this? When we incident the monochromatic light, then what will be alternate dark and bright fringes, dark and bright fringes. formation of rings takes place. This rings is known as Newton's ring. This ring is known as Newton's ring. A Newton's ring are formed as a result of interference between the light waves reflected from upper surface and lower surface of the air film. You know, this is again, I tell you that this is the wave on thin film. Thin film means again the interference of two reflected ray of light takes place. Due to interference of two reflected ray of light, interference takes place. So we get the alternate dark and bright fringes. This is based on division of amplitude. This is based on division of amplitude. So this is the experimental arrangement for the Newton's ring experiment, which is shown in the figure. You know what I will do in the lab? You know, this is very important. This is the experimental arrangement. This is the experimental arrangement of Newton's ring experiment. Clear? You know this one. Have you seen my arrow? Do you get my arrow?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
You know this one. This is the lens. This is known as plano-convex lens. You know, this is the plano-convex lens, and this plano-convex lens are kept on this G2. What is G2? G2 is known as glass plate. Plano-convex lens means one side is plane, one other side is convex. So this is known as plano-convex lens. So this is plano-convex lens which is kept on the glass plate G2. What is this? Again, you know, we have taken sodium lamp. What is sodium lamp? This is a monochromatic source of light. Hello, we get noise from your background. Why? My dear friend, Mr. Ash Kapoor. I get background noise from your side.
Yes, sir.
If you have any problem, to ask me. Please
No,
don't
sir,
disturb the class.
Actually, my laptop was glitching again and again.
Okay, my dear friend, the classes are running, so don't disturb your friends. Okay. If you disturb me and whole class will disturb.
No, sir.
Fine.
Sir, my laptop was glitching.
Okay. Try to. Any problem? Yes.
Sir, no problem.
Okay.
Sir, no.
So you know, I am talking about this experiment. This is Newton's experiment, and you know this is the glass plate, and this is the plano-convex lens, which is kept on the glass plate. We have taken, this is sodium light. Sodium light means this is yellow color light. Yellow color of light means we have taken monochromatic source of light. This is light passes from here. You keep lens. This is focused on the glass plate G1. This is the glass plate G1. When light is hit on this one, the glass plate G1 is kept at 45-degree angle. Because this is, you know, this is incident ray. This is the incident ray which is incident on the glass plate. This is kept at 45-degree. It is kept 45-degree because when light incident from here, they will be become perpendicular to the incident on the perpendicular to the plano-convex lens. So it is kept at 45-degree. Again, you know, this is the sodium lamp. It is a monochromatic source of light. It emitted the single wavelength of light, which is focused on this glass plate. Glass plate is at 45-degree. Then what is it? This is normally incident on the plano-convex lens. And light will be incident here, and light will be reflected back. Light will be reflected back, and due to reflection, the interference pattern is observed by microscope. Newton's ring formation of rings takes place between the glass plate and the convex lens. So this is known as Newton's ring, and formation of Newton's ring are observed by microscope. We get alternate dark and dark light fringes. Okay, clear? Again, I repeat it. You know, this is the glass plate, and at the glass plate we have kept a plano-convex lens. This is the plano-convex lens. This is plano-convex lens L2. This is L1 is the convex lens. This is plano-convex lens, and this plano-convex lens is kept on glass plate G. Okay, and this is source of light from where we emit the emit the monochromatic source of light. The light emitted from here and it is focused on the glass plate. Glass plate is kept at 45 degree because when light incident here, then it will be perpendicular, normally drawn on the plano convex lens. When light is incident on here, you have seen and clear on your figure, the light is incident on the plano convex lens, and there is a formation of air gap. I hope you've seen that. This is the plano convex lens. This is the glass plate, and there is the air gap. Air gap means there is a thin film of air rises, and I already tell you the thin film at the point of contact, the thickness of thin film is 0, and when we increases one side, the other side, then I found that the thickness of air film gradually increases. So when light is incident here, then it will be reflected back, and when this is reflected back, then reflected, after reflected, they have interfere, and interface pattern is as observed by microscope. We get the formation of alternate dark and bright fringes. This is known as Newton's ring. In such a way, the formation of Newton's ring takes place. You have a doubt? Any question to ask me?
No, sir.
Ansuman? Hello, clear? Clear? I repeat it. I hope everything is clear. Hello?
Sir,
Hello, yes.
sir, what will be the angle of reflection?
Sorry, what is the angle of?
Reflection.
No, reflection, angle of reflection R is 0. I tell you, when I derived the formula theory, we discussed about the R is 0, because now there is normal incidence. Normal incidence means I is 0, R is 0.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
I discuss later on, don't worry. Later on in theory, I discuss what is the value of R, okay? Hello? Clear? I proceed
So
further?
then, sir,
Yes, so I want to discuss more, okay? So we discuss about this is, concentric dark, bright formation of fringes takes place. This is known as Newton's ring. This is the formation of Newton's ring. So I want to discuss about the theory. Already I tell you that the effective path difference between two reflected ray of light is P is equal to 2 mu t cos r plus lambda by 2. This is the effective path difference between the two reflected of light. For the air film, mu is equal to 1. For the normal incidence, R is 0. Sorry, normal incidence R is 0. Then what is cos R? The value of cos R is 1. Have you seen on screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The effective path difference between two reflected of light is this one. Already you calculated. For there is an air film between the glass plate and the plano convex lens. The refractive index of air film is 1, and for normal incidence, reflectance is R is equal to 0. So that what is the value of cos R? The cos R is equal to 1. So effective path difference is 2t plus lambda by 2. So at the point of contact, at the point of contact, the question to add such type of the question going to rise is that the central spot is dark. So how can I prove that central spot is dark? Because at the point of contact, central spot means at the point of contact, T is 0. When T is 0, so what is this? P is equal to lambda by 2. This is the condition for minimum intensity, so that a central spot, hence contact spot is dark, yeah, central spot is dark. This question to ask in examination, how can you take this question to ask examination that why central spot is dark? Central spot, or you can say that contact spot is dark. Contact spot means when the lens and plate in contact. When the lens and plate is I already tell you that when lens, suppose that this is the lens, and this is the plate. At the point of contact, at the point of contact, the thickness is 0. In the Newton's ring experiment, we get the dark fringe at the central spot. Because T is 0, so if T is 0, then we get the path difference is minimum. This is the condition for minima intensity, so that at the central spot we get the dark fringes.
Sir,
So again, yes.
sir, it is a case of wedge-shaped thin film. So why are we taking path difference as plus lambda by 2? We should not take
Yes, you
lambda
know.
by 2.
Hello, which one question?
The path
Partha,
difference.
yes. You know, hello. You this one. You can plus lambda by 2, no problem. You can take minus lambda by 2. Why you take
No,
it?
sir,
You know
I'm
this
taking
one.
why are we
Hello,
taking
hello.
lambda by 2?
Yes, you know. Why take it? You know. This is, you have seen this condition of minimum intensity. Have you seen a screen?
Yes.
Have you seen a screen? If you taken plus, then here 2n plus 1. When you taken minus, then here 2n minus 1. Okay?
No, no,
Clear?
sir. I'm saying that this is a case of wedge-shaped thin film, right? Because the lens thickness.
Yes. Okay, you know, hello, my dear friend. Open the camera, Mr. Partha.
Yes, sir. One second.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the question? Tell me.
So I'm saying that in thin film, in this experiment, at center point the thickness is 0, and at the edges it's some thickness. So it is a case of a wedge-shaped thin film.
If you hello, my dear friend, if you consider the wave shape, okay, but you know what it is? In the case of Newton's experiment, the angle is very small, so it is nearly 0. So we have taken theta as 0.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you get point. You know the theta is angle, wave shape angle. It is so small that it is negligible. So we kept I is equal to 0, so I is equal to 0, and theta is nearly 0. So the path difference is equal to 2 mu t cos r plus lambda by 2.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt more, Partha?
No, sir.
Okay. So you know this one. Again, I want to discuss about the condition of maxima and minima intensity. As you know that condition for maxima intensity means we get the bright fringes. We get the bright fringes means already you know very well when effective path difference is equal to n lambda, so we get the maxima intensity. Clear? So what is the effective path difference? Effective path difference is 2t plus lambda by 2 is equal to n lambda. This is n lambda, or some book has mentioned 2n into lambda by 2. Okay, 2 cancel out, then p is equal to n lambda. What is this p? P already you have to calculate the value of p is this, you know, 2t plus lambda by 2. The value of p is 2t plus lambda by 2 is equal to n lambda. So that what is the value of 2t? The value of 2t is 2n minus 1 lambda by 2. This is the condition for maxima.
Sir?
If this condition is satisfied, then we get the maxima intensity. And for the minima intensity condition, you know, I already tell you, you know very well, for the maxima intensity condition, there will be even multiple of half wavelength, and for the minima condition, intensity condition, there will be odd multiple of half of the wavelength. So that for minima, you mean dark fringes, the path difference will be equal to 2n plus 1 lambda by 2. This is known as odd multiple of half wavelength.
Sir, mu की value 1 है.
Yes, yes, hello.
Sir, mu की value 1 है.
What? Sorry, Anshuman, open your camera.
Yes, sir. Sir, am I visible?
Yes, you are. Tell me. Hello, tell me. हाँ,
Sir, मैं कह रहा हूँ कि mu की value यहाँ पे 1 है.
हाँ, yes, air film. Hello, you know there is a formation of air gap between the glass plate and the convex lens. I already tell you that. Like this one, you know. Have you seen my cameras? I hope you know. This is the plano convex lens. Plano convex means one side is convex and another side is plane. Clear? It is kept on the glass plate. Okay. So there is the air film air gap arises between the convex surface and the glass plate. Clear? So there is a formation
Yes,
of air film takes place. If I consider air film, so what is mu? For the air, mu is 1.
Okay.
Clear?
Sir.
Any doubt more? You have to ask me.
No, sir. Clear.
Clear. You have to ask me, okay? Next, I proceed further. So, you know, for the condition of our minima intensity means for dark fringes. You know, this will be equal to R multiple of half our wavelength. So, P is equal to 2n plus 1 lambda by 2. You already calculated the value of P. The value of P is 2t plus lambda by 2. So that 2t plus lambda by 2 is equal to 2n plus 1 lambda by 2. So, you know, I want to calculate the value of 2t. The value of 2t is equal to L lambda. When this condition is satisfied, then we get the condition of minima. Yeah, you can say that we get dark fringes. So equation 1, you could keep in mind what it is. In the case of equation 1, 2t means twice of thickness of air film is odd multiple of half of wavelength. This is for maxima, and 2t is equal to L lambda means even multiple of half of wavelength. This is condition for minima. You keep in mind, I use this equation 1 and 2 further derivation. Clear? I want to calculate the diameter of ring. Diameter of ring means how can I calculate the diameter of ring? You know very well that the formation of this is the formation of ring takes place between the lens and the glass plate, like this one. I want to go back on your experiment. I want to go back on experiment, this one. Have you seen this one? Hello. What is this? You know, yes. Newton's ring. This is the air gap. This is the glass plate. This is the convex lens. There is air gap between the convex lens and this glass plate, and the formation of ring takes place. So I want to calculate the diameter of ring. This is also known as Newton's ring. I want to calculate the diameter of ring. You know, suppose that, you know, again, I want to clear this one. Have you seen on screen something? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the glass plate.
Yes, sir.
Have you seen on screen? This is AB. AOB is the glass plate. Sorry, AB is the glass plate. And LOL dash. This is the convex lens. Clear? LOL dash. This is convex lens. This is, you know, convex lens. They have radius of curvature R. They have a radius of curvature R. So I suppose that R is the radius of curvature R. So I draw a circle. This is circle which have radius of curvature R. This value, you know, the value of CE is R. The value of C and O. The value of C and O is R. Clear? You know, again I tell you, this is the glass plate AB. And LOL dash is the lens, convex lens. Convex lens, suppose that capital R is the radius of curvature of convex lens. So I draw a radius of the circle of radius capital R. So this value, the value of C and E is equal to R. The value of O and C is equal to R. Suppose that I want to calculate the radius of the diameter of Newton's ring as point P. What is this? You see my arrow? This is point P. At point P, I want to calculate the radius or diameter of the Newton's ring. So, you know, I want to draw the line this. This is just perpendicular. This point is N. This point is P. So that, you know, thickness at point P, thickness of air film is supposed to be small t. At point P, suppose that the thickness of air film is small t. And at point P, suppose that the formation of nth ring takes place. So that suppose that rho n rho n is the radius of the ring, Newton's ring. You are not able to clear, again I clear that. You know, again, just wait, again I clear that. LOL dash with the length which is placed on the glass plate as shown in figure at the point of contact O. O is the point of contact between glass plate and the lens. Let R be the radius of plano-convex lens and rho L be the radius of Newton's ring at point P and T be the thickness of the air film. So you know what is going to happen. You know, again I want to clear this figure because with the help of figure we are able to calculate the diameter of ring, then we can also calculate the radius of the Newton's ring. So you know already I discussed about the experiment and detail that AB is the glass plate and LOLS is the lens. This is convex lens, means one surface is convex and one surface is plane. This is known as plano-convex lens. One surface is plane and another surface is convex. At the point of contact, this is O. You know R is the radius of the curvature of the lens, so I draw a circle of radius of curvature R. So you know very well, radius is R, this is center O. The distance between CE is capital R and the distance between C and O is capital R. So O means this point, at point of contact. Clear? Actually, I want to calculate. This value is R again. What is this? This value is R. What is R? R is the value of, you know, R is the radius of this lens. So you can be taken from any value, this will be R. Clear? At point P, I want to calculate the diameter of Newton's ring. This is the point P. Have you seen on screen? My dear friend. Hello?
Yes.
Yes,
My
sir.
voice is audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You get my point?
Yes, sir.
If my
Yes,
voice
sir.
is not able, then tell me, okay?
Yes.
Okay. So you know, again, you see this figure. You know, this figure, again, I explained clearly. Suppose that this is point P. Have you seen on point P on this figure?
Yes, sir.
At point P, I want to calculate the diameter of Newton's ring. So, you know, at point P, the thickness of, you know, this value is small t, and suppose that rho n is the radius of Newton's ring at point P. So, you know, you can say this value is small t, and the value of NP is rho n, and the value of NO is small t. So, what is the value of, what is the value of NC? Can you tell me what is the value of NC? What is the value of NC?
R minus T.
Very
R
good.
minus T.
R minus T. And what is the value of NE? What is the value of NE?
2R minus 2.
2R
Very good.
minus
2R
T.
minus 2.
Good. So it is clear that I want to calculate the diameter of Newton's ring at point P, so that this is the thickness. I hope this is thickness of the air film, and rho n is the diameter of nth ring at point P. So I want to go back about the derivation. You know, this is the normal incidence. And you know, how can you tell me this is the normal incidence? Light is reflected from upper surface and light is reflected from lower surface, and this 1 and 2, you know, the reflected ray of light 1 and 2 interfere and interference pattern is observed. Clear? And this is the air film, formation of air film taken place between the convex lens and the air glass plate. This is same here. You know, by the property of circle, Pn square is equal to On into Ne. Now you know this one. I want to go back in figure. You know. What is this? By the property of circle, this Pn ka whole square, you know, Pn ka whole square is equal to On into Ne. It may be or not. Can you tell me? It may be or not. Vishnu and Suman.
Sir, please repeat.
You know, I see this figure. The value of NP whole square. Have you seen the figure on the screen?
Sir, you are saying NE का whole square.
NP. What is P? P means plasma. Hello, Anshuman.
Yes, sir.
Anshuman. NP whole square of NP is equal to ON into NE. It may be or not. Tell me.
Sir, by which property it is?
Property of circle.
No, sir, we didn't get it.
I hope you are not you don't recall. Okay. I hope you don't recall. Hello, Anshuman.
No, sir, I'm not able to understand this part.
Okay, no problem. No
Me
problem.
too.
I'm here. You know what is this? Again, I want to draw this one. You know. Have you seen my letter pad? Hello.
Yes, sir.
You know, suppose that everyone. I hope everyone see this pad. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If I draw a circle here, this circle, clear? This is the circle. This value is R. This value R. Okay? Yes or no? So let सकते हैं, we write here R into R is equal to square of radius. Right here?
Sir, not visible.
Sir, not visible.
Sir, वो light की वजह से
Not
reflect
visible.
बहुत हो रहा है.
अच्छा, इसमें थोड़ा just a minute.
Yes, sir.
अब हुआ सर.
I will do. Have you seen now? You've seen? No. Not
Yes,
visible.
sir. Yes.
Otherwise,
Yes,
go
sir.
for okay. Just I'm going to go for the whiteboard. Sir. Just wait. Just wait. I'm just open my whiteboard. Okay.
Sir, also tell how the value of NP is rho n.
Yes. You know, this is I'm not talking well. Suppose that this is circle. Have you seen a screen?
Yes, sir.
You know, suppose that this is a circle. Just I draw a circle. Suppose this is circle. Okay? Yes or no? Hello.
Sir, the screen is not centered.
Oh, not centered. So I will take another method. Again, you know, have seen on the screen, okay? Have you seen a figure on screen? Hello.
Yes, sir. Slide is visible, sir.
Yes, sir.
You
Slide
can,
is.
yes, you can write that, you know, seen clearly. I tell you, the value of O into C. Have you seen on screen? O
Yes.
C and CE is equal to this square of R. Right here. Yes or no? Hello. Again.
Yes, sir.
Listen to the question. The value of O into C. Sorry, OC. The value of OC into value of CE is equal to square of this R.
Yes, sir. Radius square.
Maybe?
Yes, sir.
Maybe or not, because both are R.
Yes, sir.
This is R into R square. So on the circle, this is equal to ON into NE is equal to square of, square of this radius. You get my point? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Again, the value
Yes,
of
sir.
ON,
Yes, sir.
yes, the value of ON into NE is equal to square of NP, square of radius. Clear? This is the property of circle. Otherwise, you draw the circle by anything, and you find the same value. Okay? The value of ON into NE is equal to n whole square of radius NP square. Clear? Clear or no? Hello?
Yes,
Ansuma,
sir.
do you get my point?
Yes, sir.
You know, on any circuit, you know, hello, please again see this one. Not only this one, suppose that if you want to calculate this value, you know, OC into CE is equal to again square of radius. Yes or no?
Yes,
Hello.
sir. OC into
Yes,
CE
sir.
is equals to square of
Yes,
radius.
similarly, the value of ON, you know, similarly the value of ON into NE is equal to square of radius, and square of radius means NP square of NP, NP ka whole square. Clear? Yes or no?
Sir,
Yes,
NP
sir.
के whole square
Excuse me,
कैसे
sir.
equal हुआ?
Yes, yes.
Sir, please tell after OC into CE is equal to R square.
Dhansu, open camera. Dhansu, open camera. Dhansu. So, you know, from the property of circle, Pn whole square is equal to On into Ne. What is Pn? You know, the value of Pn. From the figure, you clear that the value of Pn is rho n. Okay? Clear? And what is the value of On? What is the value of On?
T.
T.
ON is the thickness, sir, T.
Yes, very good. And what is the value of Ne?
2R minus T.
Good, good,
2R minus T.
good, good. Then, you know, I substitute this value, this one, you know, again, from the property of circle, Pn whole square is equal to On into Ne. Value of Pn is rho n is equal to the value of On is T, and the value of Ne is 2R minus T. Clear? So that rho n whole square of rho n is equal to 2RT minus T square. As T means thickness of air film is very small as compared to capital R, so that T square is very small also, so it is negligible. So above equation can be also written as whole square of rho n is equal to 2RT. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, from here, we can calculate the value of 2T. The value of 2T is equal to rho n square divided by capital R. You know, again, I tell you that from the property of circle, Pn square is equal to On into Ne. The value of Pn is rho n. So this is rho n square is equal to On. On means T, and the value of Ne is equal to 2R minus T. So that rho n square is equal to 2RT minus T square, since T is very small as compared to R, so that T square can be negligible, so that Pn ka whole square is equal to 2RT. I want to calculate the value of 2T. The value of 2T is rho n whole square divided by capital R. Any doubt? Any question? Any
Sir,
doubt?
property of circle नहीं समझ आ रही कि ये Pn square is equals to O cross Ne कैसे हुआ?
हाँ, sir,
Yes,
same
sir,
question.
we have assumed the value of Pn as rho n.
Hello, sorry.
Sir, Pn की value rho n हमने assume कर रखी है.
You have seen this one figure. Hello, my dear friend. What is this? This is the value of rho n. What is rho n? What did I tell you? At point P, I want to calculate the diameter, diameter of Newton's ring. So that suppose that at point P, rho n is the radius of nth film, nth ring. Clear? The value of NP is rho n. You get my point? At point P, we want to calculate the diameter of a ring, so that this will be radius. Yes or no? Which one question? Kindly open your camera, discuss to me. I discuss everyone, no problem. It is my duty to solve your question, doubt. Anyone, which one has this question? Rohan. Open your camera and talk to me, discuss to me. Hello? 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 Anyone has any doubt to ask me the question?
Sir.
Anshuman?
सर ये प्रॉपर्टी अभी भी क्लियर नहीं हो
I just
रही.
come. I just come on your point. Anshuman, which has this question?
सर वो सर्कल की प्रॉपर्टी मुझे क्लियर नहीं हो रही है कि
मेरे को भी नहीं हो रही.
Okay, no problem. Again, I come back. Anyone ask about the rho n? Who is this one? Rho n is the radius of Newton's ring at point P. Clear? So I want to come back on the property of circle. Clear? Again, I want to. You know what is the property of circle? Again, I tell you, you can write this value NC into CE is equal to square of R. Can you write? Can you write? Yes or no? Hello? Anshuman, Vansika, tell me the answer.
Yes,
you know, this value, the value of OC into CE is equal to square of radius.
R square.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that, you know, if you take any point on the circle, so that you take any, suppose that this point, so that this value into this value is equal to the square of this value. Anywhere. This is known as property of circle. On the basis of this, you know, ON into NE is equal to square of radius. What is that point N? The radius is rho n. So I have taken the square of radius. Clear or not? Hello. Suppose that again I tell you
Yes,
this.
sir.
Hello. Have you seen this point? This point. This value multiplied with this value will be equal to the radius of that point, square of this one. This is the property of circle. Clear?
सर OC into CE R square के बराबर है, ये बात समझ में आ गई. फिर उसके बाद ON into NE R square के बराबर है, ये भी समझ आ गया.
No. You know, if I consider point N, so I have taken radius at point N. What is the value of radius at point N? Rho n. You get my point? No.
No, sir.
No. Anshuman?
नहीं sir.
You know, ON. You get the value of, again I want to come back. Yes. You know at ON, at point N, what is the radius of air film? At point N, what is the radius of air film?
Rho n.
At point N. At
Zero, sir.
What is the radius of air film?
Zero.
Rho n. Rho n. What is rho n? What is rho n? Anshuman, I am asking some question. Can you answer? What is rho n?
Sir, rho n.
Newton's ring.
Vansika, you tell me what is rho n? What is rho n? Vansika, you tell me what is rho n?
Radius of Newton's ring.
Newton's ring? Where? At point where?
At
At
O.
P.
At N
O?
actually. N.
No, at not one.
So at P.
At P. Whose answer? Who's given answer?
Pars concept.
Pars. At point P, I want, what is my what is the, you know what I'm doing? I want to calculate the radius or you can diameter of Newton's ring at point P. Clear? So, okay, clear? So the distance between N and P is rho n.
सर ये हमने जो डिस्टेंस है N और P के बीच में ये rho n assume किया हुआ है.
हाँ, assume किया हुआ है.
ठीक है.
ठीक है, suppose that summation of nth, I want to calculate the value, so later on we calculate this value. So I assume that rho n is the radius. What is rho n? Rho n is the radius of diameter, radius of the ring at point P.
ठीक है सर.
ठीक है, so what is radius at point P? And P is the value of radius of ring. Okay, at point N.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है सर.
ठीक है, so what is this? According to property of circle, you can write that ON. ON means, you are talking about ON means this one. Hello, ON means this one. ON means this point. This point. You get this point? This point is O. Hello. Have you seen the screen?
आपको कर्सर विजिबल नहीं हो रहा सर.
Hello, hello. Do you get my voice?
हाँ सर, आपकी आवाज आ रही है, आपका पर कर्सर विजिबल नहीं है.
विजिबल नहीं हो
कर्सर नहीं आ
रहा
रहा है. Just एक मिनट. Just wait. You get my cursor?
हाँ सर, अब दिख रहा है.
You know this is O. This point is O. Okay? Okay, you get my point?
ठीक है सर.
Or this point, you know, this point and this point is P. This is rho n. Clear? Clear? Yes or no?
NP की
No,
वैल्यू
sir.
रो है ना सर.
हाँ, rho n है.
NP रो n है.
ठीक है? So what is this? You know, I already tell you that. You know, again you clear. Again, suppose that this value is O. Okay? This value is C, and this value is E. This value is R into R is equal to radius. What is this? At the point of C, I consider, if I consider point of C, this value is R. So right, you can write here R into R is equal to square of radius. Yes or no? होगा कि नहीं ये?
हाँ सर, R into R square of radius है. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
आप लिख सकते नहीं कि यदि if I consider point C, if I consider point C means center O, so we can write OC into C is equal to square of this square of radius. Same value होगी? Same value होगी?
हाँ, OC into CE की वैल्यू R square.
ठीक है. Similarly, you know, if taken any point where, any point on the circle, suppose that this point, okay? So this value into this value is equal to this value. This is the property circle. कहीं भी लेंगे आप, this will be same. Similarly, ON into NE is equal to square of distance, square of NP. Get my point?
हाँ सर, थोड़ा तो समझ में आया.
कोई बात नहीं. Hello, कोई बात नहीं. If you go to the books, this is property of circle. If you take actually क्या, if I have blackboard then I clearly again you know again you have to, you know, I want to see my notebook. No.
नहीं सर.
Okay, कोई बात नहीं.
Not visible.
Okay, कोई बात नहीं. You study about the property of circle. Then next class we ask me. Okay, no problem.
हाँ सर, अगली क्लास में डाउट होगा फिर पूछ लेंगे.
Get to discuss. No problem.
Yes.
You know, I try to explain, but you know, if any point of circle, if you taken any value on, you know, then equal to square of that point. Again, you know, again I tell you this again this one. Suppose that this point, hello, my dear friend.
हाँ जी सर.
This point. So this value, okay, and to multiply this value is equal to square of distance. कहीं भी you taken any point in circle, this will be same. This is known as property of circle.
ठीक है
You
सर.
get my point? Hello, Ansuman.
हाँ जी सर.
हाँ बोलो वंशिका, you tell me.
सर समझ नहीं आ रहा.
कोई बात नहीं. तो you take you study about this one property of circle, then you ask me next class. No problem.
Okay, sir.
I try to explain. But if you study about 9th class about the property of circle.
Yes,
If,
sir.
in spite of all this, if you're not able to understand, then you have to ask me. Then I send you by the WhatsApp. I draw the figure and take in the photograph and send you by WhatsApp. Clear? This is property of circle means you have taken any point of this one. This multiply with this equal to square of distance of that point. This is the property of circle. We go through your books and check them. If not possible, then you ask me. Again, I explain.
ठीक है सर.
Ashman, clear?
Yes sir.
Okay, sir.
So this is, by property of circle, this one. And what is this? The value of 2t is equal to rho n square divided by capital R. So now the condition for a bright ring is given as. Now the condition for a bright ring is given as 2t is equal to 2n minus 1 lambda by 2. You know this value? You know this one. I hope this one. Equation number 1. I remember?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
What
sir.
is this? 2t
Yes,
is equal
sir.
to 2n minus 1 lambda by 2. Remember? So I use this one. 2t is equal to 2n minus 1 lambda by 2. This is condition for maximum intensity. Yeah, you can say that condition for bright fringes. So what is this? So what is the value of 2t? The value of 2t is equal to rho square by r. In previous one, what is the value of 2t? The value of 2t is
Rho n square by r.
r. So I substitute here. Rho n square by r is equal to 2n minus 1 lambda by 2. Clear? So what is this value? Rho n square. Rho n square is equal to 2n minus 1 lambda r by 2. Clear?
हाँ जी सर.
Clear? Yes? Okay. So I want to take your attendance. Vansika?
Yes, sir.
Kindly note my mobile number. Otherwise, you ask my mobile number to Satvik your CR. Okay?
Okay, sir.
And if you have problem, then you talk to me. Otherwise, I explain the property of circle with the help of draw the circle and send you the WhatsApp figure is. Okay?
Sir, please share your number.
Partha, yes, Partha, tell me.
Sir, please share your number.
And you have not number. You ask your CR. Both the CR have my mobile number. Okay? Hello.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, you have not shared these slides in the MS Teams.
Yes, sir.
This slide.
Yesterday's
हाँ जी
slide
सर.
और
पिछली क्लास की
And
स्लाइड्स
last-
भी नहीं है.
I share. Today I share. Okay? Today I share. Okay?
ठीक है सर.
Today I share. Okay? Today I share. Okay? Jasandeep.
Present, sir.
Spurs.
Present, sir.
Just a minute. Kindly wait. Pranjal. Rama.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Vipin.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Divyanshi.
Present, sir.
Divyanshi.
Present, sir.
Divyam.
sir.
Divyam.
sir. Present, sir.
Mohit.
Present, sir.
Shekhar. Sahil.
Present, sir.
Vanshika.
Present, sir.
Vidhi.
Present, sir.
Shivansh.
Present, sir.
Hiren.
Present, sir.
Gauri.
Present, sir.
Samir.
Present, sir.
Shreya.
Present, sir.
Sudisha.
Present, sir.
Yes.
Present, sir.
Hardik. Hardik.
Present, sir.
Hardik.
Aditya.
Hardik. Vashveer.
Present, sir.
Sanket.
Present, sir.
Ishita.
Present, sir.
Neha.
Sir. Present, sir.
Partha.
Present, sir.
Aditya. Shatvik.
Present.
Shatvik,
Present, sir.
kindly, if anybody asks my mobile number, then kindly share my mobile number, okay? If
Okay.
needed, okay? Lakshit. Sorry, Lakshika.
Sir. Present.
Sagar.
Present, sir.
Ajit Kumar.
Present, sir.
Pranjal Goswami.
Sir, Prajwal Goswami, present, sir.
Pranjal present. Shantanu Raj. Naman.
Present, sir.
युवराज
Present, sir.
Kushag,
present sir.
Present, sir.
Kushag Jain,
Present, sir.
Kushag Jain.
Present, sir.
Okay. Nikita,
Present, sir.
Pragati,
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Arunit,
Present, sir.
Hemang,
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Sudhanshu, Ariman,
Sir, Sudhanshu present.
Daksh, Rakshit, Aryan,
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Nibir,
Present, sir.
Nibir,
Sir, present.
okay. Anshuman,
Anshuman Garg present, sir.
Prapti, Parth Bansal,
Sir, present.
Dakshit Arora, Dakshit Chopra, Dakshit, Abhya,
Present, sir.
Sarang,
Present, sir.
Sarthak.
Present, sir.
Okay. Thank you, all of you. Again, do not listen. Okay.
Sir,
Hello.
Sir,
Yes.
Sir, Sudhanshu की present लग गई.
हाँ.
sir, please announce the names of absentees.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I submit Amazon, then I tell you. Okay.
Sir, Shantanu is present.
sir.
हाँ सर.
Shantanu.
present. हाँ Vansika, tell me what problem.
फिजिक्स की लैब फाइल कब सबमिट करनी है?
हम बताएंगे आपको ना. Don't worry, I tell you. Okay.
Hello.
हाँ yes.
Confirm for Shantanu Chaudhary attend.
Shantanu Chaudhary. What is roll number? Shantanu.
331.
3-1.
Sir, may we leave?
Sir, Sudhanshu.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, Arman Anand 342.
Don't worry. I'll check your attendance. I have taken on your my MS team. Okay. Don't worry. Okay. Don't worry.
Sir, please upload the PPTs also today
Okay. I today I upload. Okay.
on MS Teams.
Yes, MS team. Okay. Sure. Today I upload. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Excuse me, sir.